Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now we'll look at the headlines. 4 dead, 12 injured in Kadamba bus accident on Kolhapur Goa route. Bus driver from Goa, Melvyn Fernandes dead, injured admitted to CRR Hospital. High Court postpones mine owners' renewal and extension of leases case for 25th June. ED summons mines director in illegal mining case. IT habitat plot becoming orphan. Contractor Rao unaware about encroachments, dumping of construction debris. GSIDC refuses to take responsibility. Former Pedne MLA Dayanand Sopte quits Congress, says fed up with working style of Congress leaders. No plans to join any other political party as of now. And Lionel Messi shines in Argentina's 2-1 win over Bosnia. France and Switzerland get off to winning start in FIFA World Cup Brazil. Now the news in detail. 4 died and 12 were injured in a tragic Kadamba bus accident on Kolhapur Goa route. The dead include a bus driver, Melvyn Fernandes from Thivi. The bus hit a roadside tree as the driver lost control in early morning hours. The injured were admitted to CRR Hospital in Kolhapur.
The accident occurred at early morning on Monday at Kadamba in Kolhapur. Kadamba bus was on its way from Kolhapur to Panji. Bus hit the tree along the roadside as he lost control. 4 died on the spot while 12 passengers received injuries. Dead includes the Goan Kadamba driver Melvyn Fernandes from Thivim. Rest 3 passengers are from Sindhudurg. Staff of the KTC has reached the spot. KTC blames the road conditions.
आज आमची बस कदंबा बस कोल्हापूरसून गोंयांत तेन्ना एक्सिडेंट जाली अबाउट 6:30 सुमार आनी फेटल एक्सिडेंट जालो एक ड्रायव्हर पेटा जालो मेल्विन फर्नांडीस टीव्हीचो आनी ती एक्सिडेंट जालो आयज रेग्युलर बिकॉज ऑफ बॅड कंडिशन ऑफ द रोड्स ते कितें जाता ती आमची बस एक्चुअली न्यू बस आहा इवन ड्रायव्हर बरो एक्सपिरियन्स ड्रायव्हर आहा पूण रेग्युलर पावस जालो कांय कारणाक लागून ते एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी आमची इन्क्वायरी चालू आहा ती बस सायडीन ऑफ रोड गेली आनी झाडाचेर मारली झाडाच्या सायडीन रेग्युलर डॅश जाली आनी मागीर the accident happened. Injuries, that 12 passengers have got minor injuries. They all discharged from the hospital, like 12 passengers.
The injured passengers were admitted to CRR Hospital in Kolhapur. A control room has been set up at North Goa Collectorate with helpline numbers 1077 2225083, 2225383, 2427690. Meanwhile, 40-year-old Mahadev Thakur died at Kasarwana Pedne due to electrocution. Thakur was driving a tipper truck. As he raised the rear platform to discharge load, the platform touched live electricity conductor. Thakur climbed the truck to release it. He died on the spot due to electrocution. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The High Court will hear petitions related to renewal and extension of mining leases. Mine owners have pleaded before the High Court to decide the fate of their applications for renewal in view of Supreme Court's verdict. Advocate General on Monday made it clear before the bench that government cannot decide the fate of renewal until and unless it frames the mining policy. The High Court will hear these petitions on 25th June. Meanwhile, Enforcement Directorate has summoned Goa Mines Director in illegal mining case as he is a complainant.
Mine owners whose applications to renew the mining leases are pending have pleaded before the High Court to decide the fate of their applications. The High Court asked the state government to clear its stand on these pending applications. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni stated that the Supreme Court has declared all the mining leases operating post-year 2007 as illegal and has empowered state government to make new mining policy. Advocate General further contended that government is in the process to prepare new mining policy, hence at this point of time they cannot take any stand on these petitions. The High Court later adjourned the hearing for 23rd June. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
IT habitat seems abandoned and orphaned. The contractor alleged of putting debris on the site has refused any role in such an act. Prudent had few days back exposed how IT habitat land has become labourers' colony. Contractor claims he is even unaware about the debris dumped at the site. On the other side, GSIDC has shrugged off its shoulders. It says corporation is not concerned about accommodation of contractors' labours.
IT habitat plot has become a labour habitat at present. Construction labourers have made this land their home. As per the IT corporation chairman, these labours belong to contractor M. Venkat Rao, who usually undertakes mega projects of government. Prudent contacted the contractor and GSIDC to confirm whether the labourers' colony was accidental or a purposeful act. Looking at the situation, the IT habitat plot is losing all patronage. Nobody dares to ask contractor. GSIDC says it is not within their domain. IT corporation has already surrendered. Prudent contacted contractor M. Venkat Rao about the labourers. Contractor says he doesn't know anything about it. Rao said he will verify and then get back. He has even refused to own the responsibility of construction debris dumped at the site. Recently, IT corporation chairman has disclosed one of the contractors threatened him when asked about the encroachments on IT habitat land. Contractor Rao says he is not the contractor and Subhash and he are in good terms. Prudent tried to contact Simplex, but their phone was out of coverage till late night. Later, Prudent contacted GSIDC MD Sanjit Rodriguez. Both Rao and Simplex are the major beneficiaries of GSIDC projects. GSIDC says it is not concerned with whether any of its contractor accommodates his labours.
See, first of all, whenever a contractor engages labor or engages a yard to work for construction, it is at his own risk, at his own cost. It is not part of the contract as to where he should keep his labours and where he should not keep his labour. We have given him a contract. Our contract is work oriented. As far as the work is concerned, we would take cognizance. The contractors normally make their own arrangements to have labour camps, to have stocking yards, etc. This contractor also must have made his own arrangements. So we have nothing to say about where the contractor has made arrangements.
IT habitat plot has become an orphan. Why would any IT investor put in his money on such a labour habitat? Reporter Mahesh Khadi and Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.